I'm Jag Verdi and I'm the owner of Conquer Living. And Conquer Living is all about doing things differently. We started with the premise that we wanted to change the construction industry in a way that delivered modern user-centered design. And the Conquer is the first of many products. Where we are right now, the Conquer has absolutely limitless possibilities. It's a bedroom, it's an office, it's a conference room, a play area for your children, it's a audio visual space, you name it, and the beauty of a building like this is that it's in harmony with the environment. Just imagine, a future home that you could have on your land fully assembled in a week with 3 bedrooms inside, because I wanted it just the right size to be able to walk it through the house or through a small alleyway without the need for craned and so on, so you could actually build this anywhere. In fact, our first installation was on top of a mountain. 3 of us, we carried every single panel to the top of this mountain area, and it took us 180 trips to get all the parts up there. We are really humbled by the interest and by the ideas that people are coming up with how they want to use theirs. So we've coined the phrase, when people come to us, how will you use yours?